Hi there, it's Roger V from Swift Cloud, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add photos to a gallery. It's pretty simple. First, I want to differentiate that this is the slider, this is not a gallery, and the way you add photos to it is a little bit different. Equally easy, just in a different place. So for now, what we're talking about is a gallery, which can look like this. In this case, we're actually using a feature called an album, and an album is a collection of galleries. So you'll see more about that in a moment, but each one of these categories, let's say Audi, is an individual gallery, and then an album is a collection of galleries. So each of these can be linked to as its own set of photos. So if I click on, let's say, Ferrari, I then get to a sort of a list view with lots of thumbnails of the individual images, and of course I can click on any individual image to see the detail, and I've got next and back at any time if I want to peruse through and click on whatever strikes my fancy. So let's add some photos to it. Step one, get logged into your control panel, your dashboard, and on the left side you'll see gallery. I mentioned the slider. This is where you would add photos to the slider if you wanted to, but in this case we're going to add pictures to the gallery. Just click on gallery on the left and go to the second subsection called add gallery images. You're going to get to a page that looks like this, and it's very simple. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select Ferrari because we want to add photos to that. We can go here. We can select multiple photos. In this case, I'm just going to select, well, I'll show you two, right? I just hit Control and then I can pick and choose, right? Or I can hit Shift and do all, or you can even hit Control A, whatever the case. You'll need to get to the photos on your computer. Now, they do need to be somewhat sized. So if you have a digital camera, you may need to size these down and save them for web resolution, because if you upload a 5 meg photo per photo times 100, you end up really kind of clogging the server, and it's unnecessary. So you may need to size these first. Anyway, in this case, let me just select this one, and all you do is select the actual photo and go ahead and hit Start Upload. It's going to think for a second, and if you've got a long list of photos, this might take a few minutes, but you'll see it working, and it'll give you a success notice when you're done. This is now going to appear in this list. In this case, we've got a second page, and there it is at the end. Now I want to actually remove that because it's not a Ferrari. So I'll go to Gallery, Manage Galleries. I'm going to go find Ferrari, and I'm going to go just scroll down here to the very bottom and find that photo. I'm going to delete it. That's simple. Delete it. There you go. Enjoy. If you have any questions, let us know, and we will update this help file.